Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best Battat animal playsets available, the Battat Farm Animal Playset. If you're looking for a vibrant, engaging farm-themed toy that sparks imagination and is perfect for toddlers, this set is definitely worth considering. The Battat Farm Animal Playset is a classic and colorful collection designed specifically for toddlers aged 18 months and up. It includes 25 pieces, featuring a variety of farm animals such as a pig and piglet, cow and calf, horse and foal, sheep and lamb, chicken, and a duck. Along with these charming animals, you get essential farm accessories including a tractor, trailer, ladder, feeding troughs, haystacks, farmers, and fences, both large and small. This well-rounded set allows toddlers to create their own miniature farm world right in their playroom. One of the standout features of this playset is how perfectly sized everything is for little hands. Each piece is designed to be easy to grasp and manipulate, encouraging the development of fine motor skills while providing hours of imaginative play. The materials used are durable and safe, meeting or exceeding safety standards in the US, Canada, and the EU. So parents can feel confident that this set is built to last and safe for young children. The tractor and trailer add a dynamic element to the play, letting toddlers simulate real farm activities such as hauling animals or supplies. The inclusion of fences and feeding troughs provides opportunities for role-play, helping kids understand basic farm life while having fun. The playset also encourages learning through matching animals, counting the pieces, and storytelling, which can foster early cognitive development. Measuring approximately 11 by 2.75 by 12 inches and weighing just over a pound, the set is portable enough to be taken from room to room, allowing children to play wherever they like. Whether setting up the animals in the barn or arranging the fences outside, this playset offers versatility and open-ended play possibilities. Another plus is how compatible this set is with other farm-themed toys. If you already have or plan to get other sets like Fisher-Price Little People Farm Animals, this Battat playset integrates well due to its size and style, expanding the play experience. In summary, the Battat Farm Animal Playset is a thoughtfully crafted, colorful, and engaging toy that not only entertains toddlers but also supports their developmental milestones. Its sturdy construction, attention to detail, and comprehensive selection of farm-related pieces make it a fantastic choice for any young child interested in animals and pretend play. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review and want more honest insights on the best toys and gadgets, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. See you next time.